Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Bostwick. We're taking a look at radar over the past couple hours, and we can see that showers and storms have generally been sporadic around the area, and there's still a pretty good storm just to the southwest of Kinder, and there's a few showers over in Southeast Texas around the Woodville area, kind of northeast of Wildwood and southeast of Woodville, and then another shower in northern Liberty County. And there's also still some good showers down in Iberia Parish and also Vermilion Parish. So quite a bit of activity for this evening. And current temperatures are right now running in the upper 80s to around 90, except for some areas where there's some showers and storms, like Lake Jackson right now is 79, and then Leesville and DeRidder are also in this upper 70s. But elsewhere, everywhere is pretty warm. Now, satellite and radar over the past 3 hours shows there's quite a few showers and storms that have taken place for the day, and they kind of are going to start to wind down gradually as we start to lose that daytime heating. In fact, that's what our Futurecast model shows, is that we're going to have pretty calm weather overall overnight. And then as we get into the daytime tomorrow, we do expect showers and storms to really start to kind of develop again. And the coverage tomorrow should be probably around 40% roughly, and that should be pretty good as far as our rain chances go. Now, as far as the upper level flow is concerned, we do have a pretty good change in the pattern that's going to take place. We expect the northwest flow to develop by Sunday, and that will allow much cooler and drier air to move in. So effectively, like a cold front is going to be moving in, and we're going to see a lot cooler temperatures, particularly in the early part of next week. Atmospheric moisture shows that we do have quite a bit of moisture for tomorrow, and as we get into Thursday, those moisture levels will kind of linger around, and then we get into Friday, we see that those moisture levels are going to increase quite a bit. As we get into Saturday, we see that those moisture levels peak in the morning, and then they start to decrease quite a bit towards the evening as that drier air begins to move in. And then look at that Sunday. Wow, that's a lot of dry air moving in. So no chance of rain going on Sunday into the early part of next week. And we see that continues into Monday as well. So we have a lot of dry weather coming up in our forecast. Now, lows tonight are going to be in the low 70s, still some upper 60s, pretty possible in the northern parts of our coverage area. St. Augustine could be 69 along with Hemphill and Leesville. And then tomorrow, highs are going to be in the lower 90s in general, a few mid 90s as well. Our 7-day outlook, though, it calls for a 40% chance of rain for tomorrow in Southeast Texas, 30% on Thursday. And look at that, here comes a cold front. Can't believe we're saying that, but it's coming on Saturday. And look at that, lows in the mid 60s possibly Monday morning. So some lot cooler weather on the way. Same for Southwest Louisiana, going to be about 92 or so tomorrow. And then over the weekend, we should have a good chance of rain with the cold front moving through. Those lows are going to be cooling down along with those highs. Looking forward to it. Going to be a nice Labor Day, it's looking like. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's always hard to get mixed up on this terminology. Anyway, youtube.com/@GulfCoastWX. A shout out to our sponsor, Modern, for this video, and all of our other sponsors for making it possible. And we'll see you again tomorrow.